Hello everyone, here I'm bringing you a very easy, cheap, and quick horchata water. You boil 1 cup of rice with half a stick of cinnamon into about 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes. You let it cool. You have to blend it with water, about maybe a liter of water. And over here in this picture, I have about a cup of sugar melting and dissolving into water. That picture was for about 1 gallon, I believe, of liquid, or maybe a little more. But sugar is to taste, so you have to just mix it, make sure everything is mixed together, and you can enjoy it with ice or just let it chill in the fridge. And this is great when you don't have soda or you don't have anything else to drink, but you want something delicious to have with your meal, or just to enjoy and drink during the day, or when you have family over. Anything. I hope you try it and I hope you like it. Enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.